It is one of those components that is overlooked the most when you are building a new space or transforming your space. Accessories. Accessories. So today I'm going to show you some of the very simple ways that you can do that. One of the most easiest things and cost effective is paint. Yes, paint. A lot of people have made an accessory wall. And again, accessory walls are still in, but do one. Just do one. Make sure if it is a pop of color, it's one color, and then it can transpose throughout the rest of the home. Make sure that it has different elements, that it has a flow throughout the home. One of the easiest things to do is paint, you guys, honestly. Here's the second component, the triangle effect. So I'm a big Bulls fan, and way back when they had a play that they called the triangle. So of course, this person was over here, this person was over here, and this person was over here. It's the same thing that works in design. When you are putting pieces together, you want to make sure that you have some type of triangle effect. It could just be 2 pieces, or it could be 3, or it could be 5, but they need to be able to blend together and tell that story, and you simply see that triangle effect. And in the pictures that you're seeing right now, you should be able to get some great ideas. The triangle effect is very, very effective. And again, it's a time to be able to move different things around, something you already have, and just add a different component of something new. Really easy to do. The third thing I want to talk about in accessorizing that a lot of people miss this. The rug, the area rug. Hardwood floors are in. People are spending a lot of money and getting those things refurbished, making sure that they are putting a different color on it or just simply a new install. And then they don't want to cover it up with an area rug, but it is a place of completeness in your space when you carry an area rug into that space. It really does complete it. So let me tell you, there are options that you can have when it comes to rugs. One of my pet peeves, you do not want to get under my skin with this one, but one of my pet peeves in design is when the rug is too small. The rug should hit the largest component in the space. So if it is a sofa, the rug needs to be larger than the sofa. It should definitely be able to hit the first part of the legs of the sofa and carry out. That way it doesn't make the room look shorter. I'm showing you examples of what it looks like. Short, and then again, once we found out what element and what size was needed, voila. It made the room so much bigger. It gave it so much color and liveliness that it didn't look like a little puny sofa anymore, right? So it depends upon the angles of the room. Some spaces can be really difficult, but when I tell you, trust me, when you put a rug in the right size in that space, it opens it up nice, clean, and airy. So trust me. Last thing I want to talk about in this segment here is bringing something meaningful to the table in your accessories building. That can mean a lot of different things. Where have you traveled? Something meaningful at your wedding, something that was given to you. Yes, that can be an accessory to be able to build and tell that story, but use that one component and spread it out. I have a client that was an expert in taking pictures, absolutely fantastic pictures, and they traveled and they hiked all over the world. And so with all of that, they had tons and tons of pictures. So here was my tip for them. We want to use those. They tell a story. They tell a lively story of their marriage, their time together, and all the wonderful places that they've traveled. So let's put them in a special place. So we took those pictures and we placed them in the staircase going down. I know a lot of people do the ones that are going up, but we want to do this one going down. Here's a very good clue, guys. If there are colorful pictures, the frame should be a solid color. Solid color. If they're pictures that are all black and white or one component from that, then yes, you can be able to use different colored ones, but stick to the plan. The plan needs to look clean so your pictures tell a story. So the same thing with putting pictures of the family in a library or however you want to be able to do it. Make sure that those frames have the same look. It's really important so your picture, which is most important, tells the story and not the frame. All right, so to segue back with all the pictures that you're seeing right now, you want to make sure that you build on your accessories with paint or paint color. Make it solid. If you do an accent wall, stick to that one color. The triangle effect. The triangle effect is so important when it comes to moving different things around and accessories. I know a lot of people are really good at it and some people are not. And what I try to do is when I have deliveries of special furniture and things like that, I try to be there in the midst and be able to add different things that they hadn't even thought of that makes their space complete. So make your spaces complete. Make your rug fit the space. If it makes the piece look too big, then your rug is too short. Again, make sure that some of your accessories are personable and meaningful to you and your family. It goes a long way. It tells a story of your space with you not even being there and being present. You know, this is Lauren's home, just based upon the things that are in it. So we want to make sure that you create that same atmosphere. All right? Have fun. Accessories are amazing, amazing ways to transform your space. And I know you can do it. Keep it going. All right? Until next time.